Guys, with interest rates up a lot in the last year, it matters a lot more what you do with your spare cash in your brokerage accounts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Treasury bills at the auction and Treasury bills in the secondary market on Vanguard. And I'm going to look at the rates you get for these short-term 3-month Treasury bills and compare them to the brokered CDs that you can buy on Vanguard as well as the Vanguard money market accounts that you can also put your cash into. Now, all three of these things are not equal. The Vanguard money market accounts are the most liquid, the easiest to get in and out of. The Treasury bills come next. You can sell the Treasuries on the secondary market, but you might get a little bit of a lower price than you paid for them. And the brokered CDs are the most difficult to get out of if you try to get out before the term is over. So while it looks like the brokered CDs pays some of the highest rates for short-term money, you should only put money in there that you're absolutely sure of that you're not going to need before the CD matures. So let's go look at how you buy a Treasury bill at auction. Okay, it's Sunday night. I'm going to buy some Treasury bills at auction for the auction tomorrow. So click on buy and sell. Click on check rates and trade bonds. So right now it's after hours. The only thing you can place orders for are brokered CDs and new issues like T-bill auctions. So brokered CDs right now are actually looking like they're paying better than Treasuries, 4.4% versus 4.3%. But let's click on this. So here they're only showing you bonds that are already trading in the secondary market, not the ones that are going to be auctioned off on Monday. Click here to edit search criteria and change that to auction. And now you see, here you can buy the 3-month US Treasury bill, and the auction cutoff is December 12th at 9:30 a.m. So right now it's Sunday night and I can place an order to buy these. And the estimated yield is going to be 4.232%, which is actually worse than what you can get with a brokered CD right now. And a 6-month Treasury is 4.67%. That's pretty good. So I'm going to click buy. So in Vanguard, you put the actual dollar amount, which is different than Fidelity. Fidelity, it's in already multiplied by 1,000. So if you wanted to buy 1,000, you would just put 1. I'm going to put an order in for $100,000 worth. Continue. And it says 100,000 face value. Okay, submit purchase. So purchased amount, 100,000, coupon 0% because it's a discounted bill. So whatever the discount is your interest. So although I purchased $100,000 worth, it's not going to cost me $100,000. And that discount that I'm getting is my interest. So since it should be about whatever, 4.2% or something for a yearly rate, so 1/4 of that or 3 months is like 1.07 or something like that. So this $100,000 of face is actually going to cost me about $99,000. So I'm going to go look in the morning to see where my order got executed, and there shouldn't be any real surprise. It's going to be somewhere around $99,000 it cost me. So let's check back after the market opens. And so here's my order. United States Treasury bills, buy 100, and this is done at 3:30 in the morning on Sunday night. So in five or 6 hours, I'm going to have my order executed. Okay, so it's Monday, and so I look at my account and I see that here is the US Treasury bill that I bought yesterday. The auction went off. Let's see how much I paid for it. So here is the confirmation, and the executed price is $98.92. So this is what I'm paying for $100 in March 16th. And if you go to the treasurydirect.gov website, you can look at the results of the auctions. And here the 13-week has an investment rate of 4.377. So that's the rate you would get if you bought 4 of these bills in 1 year and continuously reinvested it every 3 months. Now let's see how to buy treasuries in the secondary market. So go to buy and sell. Check rates and trade bonds, click on that. So I'm also going to go buy some treasuries in the secondary market. But before I do that, I want to show you the comparison between the money market funds, which are also essentially like cash, and the brokered CDs that you can buy also on Fidelity. I want to compare the rates to see if the treasuries are even worthwhile when you can just buy a money market account or a CD. So here are some of the options on their money market funds, and these are the rates that they give you. 3.75 for short-term U.S. government, minimum investment 3,000. So this one, short-term U.S. Treasuries, is similar to the T-bills, but might have even less time left on these treasuries. And they pay 3.83%, which is about 0.4 less than I just paid for the T-bills. And then when you include the expense ratio of 0.09, it's about a half percentage point difference per year. So if you have $100,000, half a percentage point is $500 in a year, or about $40 a month. So it's nothing to sneeze at. And so you see this one is 6% government obligations and 93% US Treasury bills. So now let's go look at T-bills in the secondary market and the brokered CDs. So click on check rates and trade bonds. And so here, 1 to 3 month treasuries, 4.3% or so. Brokered CDs, the highest one is 4.4% for 1 to 3 months. So let's take a look at the brokered CDs. So these brokered CDs are from banks all over the country, and they are FDIC insured, and you don't have to open a bank account with them to open this CD. It is all done through Vanguard. So it probably wouldn't make a difference which one you choose. I would choose the one with the highest interest rate, of course. But the dates that they mature are a little different. This one's 3/20, this one's 3/16, this one's 3/27. If you're going to buy one of these, make sure you're going to keep it until it matures, because if you have to sell it back in the secondary market, you could lose money, or it's not very liquid. So only put money in that you know for sure you're going to keep for the whole time in there. Well, let's see how to buy this. 4.4%, First Century Bank NA. I'm going to put $5,000 in here. So here, CDs purchased are FDI insured up to $250,000 per bank per person. All right, so let's go submit that. So there, I bought it. Matures 3/20, coupon rate 4.4%, purchase amount $5,000. Now let's go buy Treasury bills in the secondary market. Okay, so go back to this screen and click on this interest rate here, 1 to 3 months. Now, I got to say, Vanguard's software is very old looking to me and doesn't give you a lot of information. Let's compare it to Fidelity real quick. So this is the Fidelity screen when you click on secondary market Treasury bills. It gives you a lot more information, the bid, the ask. So anyway, let's click on this and see. This one matures March 28th, 2023, and has a yield of 4.363%. So this bill is trading at a cheaper price than the auction one I just got today. But anyway, let me buy 5,000 of these also. So this is the yield I'm going to get. This is the price I'm paying for $100 on March 28th. So the discount is $1.24. So that is my interest that I'm getting. Or you see face value 5,000, principal 49.38. So I'm paying 49.38 to get $5,000 on March 28th. There is no coupon. The coupon is your discount. So it makes it very easy to figure out how much you're making. So I'm making about $62 on this. So let's click submit purchase. So I purchased 0 coupon because it's discounted. It ends on 3/28, and I'm getting 4.358% on my money. So guys, I hope this video helped you understand how to put your money in these short-term cash-like vehicles. As always, this is not financial advice to buy any of these specific products. Do your own research because it is your money. Thanks for watching, guys.